Road trip, baby! Here we go.
Yeah, actually, come here.
God. Yeah.
Before we start, can I ask you something? Mm-hmm. To Gael Goggins, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dras am Gael Gael school.
Uh-huh.
I heard in Gael Gael in Chéile.
Great idea, but I just got this new car insurance. That doesn't allow multilingualism, so can't really do it legally on the road. So that's road trip. Here we go.
All right, look. To Gael Goggins, but heard in Gael Gael in Chéile a wad níos minicky.
Mate, you know I only learned Irish to get with hot Gaelgore chicks. So,
And how's that going for you?
not well.
Dated me like on Crackable again. Dated me lair tweet.
Just one sec. Hello, Dad. Hey, yeah, it's like my Rash out there. Hope the clug.
Thought you kind of ask Gael Gael.
Just one second. What?
Thought you kind of ask Gael Gael full láthir.
Irish, is it?
Yeah.
It's a dead language, mate.
I just think with Brexit, it's not a good time.
Yeah, but problem. Yeah. On will Shikin Lashau Minaku? Shikin Lashau Min. No. Okay. Codfrey Kung Po. Mate, what's the Irish for beef?
Martel.
Martel. Martel Kung Po? Dad? Oh, hey, Costa. Yeah. Codfrey Martel Kung Po.
Martel Kung Po. Martel Kung Po.
Agus boiled rice.
Níl